Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover Android animation list. In animation list, we use a list of images to create animation. In Android Studio, first we will create a new project. We will select empty activity. We will give a name to the project and language kotlin. To create animation list, we require few images. I have 7 cylinder images in my desktop from empty to full. I will place these images in Android Studio drawable folder. We need to create a animation list XML file in the drawable folder. We will right click in the drawable folder, then new drawable resource file, file name my anim list, root element animation list, directory name drawable. In my anim list XML file in item, we are placing the cylinder images from empty to full in order from top to bottom, duration 150, and in parent animation list one shot should be false. Now we will go to the main activity layout file and we will create one image view and two buttons. One button for starting the animation and the other button for stopping the animation. In image view SRC, we are using my anim list XML file. We are giving IDs to the image view and the buttons. In the main activity onGet method, we are getting the reference of two buttons and the image view. From the cylinder image view, we are getting the animation by using cylinder image.drawable as animation drawable. In the start animation button, we are setting onClick listener, and inside it cylinder image.post opening and closing curly bracket, and inside it animation.start. Now we are setting onClick listener in the stop animation button and inside it animation.stop. Our code is ready now. We could run the app. On clicking start animation button, animation will start, and on clicking stop animation button, animation will stop. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.